at this.
Buksan mo.
Look at,
Mm.
look at the
Wow, what's that? Can you check what's inside? Wow, it's so bango. Ang ganda.
There's something inside.
Tulungan mo na.
There's
Ang
a food
expensive
coloring.
nito may ganito
Yo!
pa.
This one. Oh my
Mini
god.
electric waffle maker. Wow.
Yo! I love it.
Wow.
Yo!
Gagawa kayo ng ano?
What?
Ng waffle. Ang
Yo!
galing.
My gosh.
Wow. May egg pa.
Yo! I love it.
Wow, what is that? Is this an icing? Oo nga.
It's real?
Pancake. Yeah.
It's not bun?
Yeah. Totoo. Gagawa si Trixie ng cake. Bake.
It's not bun because the Barbie
Wow.
toy is bun.
May egg.
Yo!
May
no.
lemon. Meron pang lemon. At merong measuring cup. At papagawa. Oh, may egg ulit.
Yo!
What's this? Wow. Kaylee's Kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, ang ganda naman ng tubig ni Trixie.
Sana all parang pampampurin.
Mm.
look at Trixie.
My bottle.
Hello Kitty. Put a sticker Hello Kitty.
Ganda.
Lemon.
And then the lemon. Oh, you will
the waffle.
mix the lemon and the waffle. Wow. Mahal yan. Ang pinakamahal na gamit. Ito. It's an electric pancake.
Ako na lang. Gusto ko ito lalagyan.
Wow, meron pang measuring cup.
Mayroon pa Trixie.
Pwede ko ba yun? I was gonna make the
Yeah, papahelp ka na lang kay Yaya to make a waffle.
Ay, tatlong bibe. Ako laki.
Can you
Mama,
check
all
what
the
is it?
ingredients.
It's Kaylee's make
Balot ng tali.
kitchen
it's
waffle
there.
pancake kit.
Show them.
Okay, so what's the ingredients?
Resist
You have a
gonna use
lemonade
the-
kit.
Yan, ganda kaya ng tali.
What you need? Water bottle. Para gumawa ng lemon. Sugar, lemon saucer, and water. How to make?
Isa mga lalaki
Juice
ko,
your
like,
lemon. You will juice your lemon so that you can make a lemonade.
Sabi nila, ano yan? Magtitinda kayo ng puto.
Wow. Egg.
Sabi niya puto, bitch.
Pancake. And then you will have a big
Magkano
sugar.
kaya siguro ang gastos mo.
Wow.
No?
My
So
gosh.
cute.
Ilan sila binigyan?
We're gonna make it started. My gosh.
Oh, yeah. Start na kayo ni Yaya.